After I'd graduated Humber in the travel program, and I was working in the industry for a couple of years, I noticed that there was some symptoms that started to happen. When I was diagnosed with lupus and fibromyalgia, I was visiting with my rheumatologist, and she had suggested that I connect with the Arthritis Society to help me with my hands. Perhaps someone there could help me provide a splint. And so I had the appointment, and I was blessed with meeting Mercedes Reeves.
Connie was referred to me actually many years ago. I've known Connie a long time, and I've seen her through her ups and downs of her health. Fortunately and gratefully, she's been doing very well for the past few years, and her disease is stable. So we're able to focus more on her hands and try and find a solution for the positioning and function of her hands. Something that she really was limited in doing before. I didn't have the ability to create what I was envisioning for her. It was beyond my scope, so that's when we reached out to Humber to see if they had a solution that could help us.
Tetra Society is a non-profit organization based on volunteers, technical background volunteers, and I'm part of it as a volunteer since 1999. That project was assigned to me, yet when I look at the project, I talk to her, I thought the best approach is if we can have a laser 3D scan for her hand, and we can build something on top of that. From there, okay, I don't have this equipment. Humber College does have it here at the BCTI. Then I talked to the BCTI management here, and they opened the door as wide as was really beyond my expectation, honestly. And then we start this project, yeah.
I've used a number of braces, some of which we have ordered online, and others that were made in various clinics or made with Mercedes. And you know, those braces served a purpose. You know, when you look at the materials that were used, the clinicians at the time, they did the best that they could. I mean, my hands, when you take a look at it, it's not easy to adjust my hand, you know, for certain angles. Each hand is a little bit different. I mean, look at what Humber has been able to do for me. Having these braces, if you take a look at my hands, the degree and the angle that my hands have been lifted, I mean, it's fantastic. I'm
bringing real life stories into my classes. This will relate students and industry together, hands in hand. We are minimizing the gap between the students and the industry.
At Barrett Centre for Technology Innovation, I'm working for manufacturing and design. Working with Connie was wonderful. I'm working with Connie to building a custom brace. I use 3D scanning and also reverse engineering for this project.
Absolutely, I would recommend others to partner with Humber. It's been a wonderful experience and a great collaboration. I do have some clients I think would benefit from this, but also other co-workers who have clients themselves who may want to connect and see what we can do.
You know, for Humber, accepting this project and taking it on, it's been quite an experience. You know, being a Humber alumni, coming back to the school 30 years later and seeing the Barrett building, the technical knowledge, the engineering, the ingenuity, the kindness, the patience, the understanding. I am in awe of what this building and the students and the faculty are able to do. You know, the future is really bright for Humber.